Oh, hello, the Curbside podcast. Oh my gosh. What are we doing today?
We're gonna play with RC cars.
Yeah, because we're grown men. Up here in the Northern Californias, I'm gonna go play at the RC car. Well, what is it actually?
It's actually like a dirt jump. It's like a jump track for mountain bikes and stuff, but fuck them kids. We're playing with our big boy toys.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick vlog for you because we haven't done one of these in a long time. So yeah.
Hello, Curbside podcast. This is my toy here. It's a Team Associated Pro SC 4x4 truck. It's a 1/10 RC truck. Pretty stock power-wise and everything. Running a 2S battery, 2S LiPo. Just a bunch of hop-up parts for suspension bits, arms, steering components, whatnot. It's pretty fun. Does jumps well.
What the heck does the 2S and the LiPo and something mean?
So 2S means it's a 2-cell battery. LiPo means it's a lithium battery. Hello, vlog.
Ever since like Andrew has moved up here, I haven't been in this car for a while now.
Yeah.
Have you done anything since it's been up here?
An oil change.
Does it?
Yeah.
So like the modification?
I destroyed my wheels. That was pretty cool.
What happened to the wheels?
So I really wanted to get them like really clean.
Yeah.
Went to AutoZone and picked out a wheel cleaner. Didn't read the label that said it was only for factory alloy unfinished wheels. Sprayed that shit on and watched the wheel paint melt off. It is what it is. It's kind of a look. We're in Foster City. We're in Foster City, right over there. It's technically the bay. The bay water is right over there. Down that way, you can't see it, but it's the Dumbarton Bridge, aka 92. The little bike thing that we're gonna go to is hidden in all of that over there. Last time I was here, this place was overtaken by kids and families and stuff. So hopefully it's Monday at 11:30. Hopefully there's nobody here.
That's what we
We are here. It's overrun by kids again, but this side is usually empty.
Alright, well, since we're here, let's get us some cool RC car shots.
There's a rock or a gear is broken. That might be it.
Alright, well, that is RC carring for today. We'll see if there's any more of that, but yeah. Yeah, right, well, so we're heading back to the Andrews, the place. That may be it for RC car today, but you know, we'll see what happens. Just thought we'd take you along for some morning RC car stuff. But if this is where the video ends, thanks for watching. Yeah. Subscribe, like, do stuff. Hopefully we're gonna film some fun content. Bye!